reason.
Hey loves, hi and welcome back to another exciting video. My name is Miss Benyiwaa. If this is your first time chancing on this pretty face, hi darling, you're welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hi darling, what's good, what's going on, what's popping? Yeah, I know it has been a minute. A lot has been going on. Your girl has been trying to put a lot of things in place and all, but I am back, and I am back for good. I am going to be bombarding you guys with a lot of makeup tutorial, hair tutorial, vlogs and all of that. So please stay tuned and then watch out for me each and every week on this beautiful channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Like, you haven't subscribed, why? Tell me why. Subscribe now. Anyways, to show you guys how I achieved this beautiful look. This is a very simple look with bold lips. If you want to achieve such look, then definitely keep on watching. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Yeah guys, so I've already done my skin prep off camera. I cleansed my face with this micellar cleansing water. Then I apply this moisturizer from Blossom, and then I'm just going to apply my primer, my Pond's primer. Just going to apply a little amount of this on my forehead and on my T-zone as well. Then I go in with my foundation. So guys, this is all for the skin prep. I'm going to go ahead and go into my foundation. This video is not going to be like a talk through. I'm just going to leave you guys to watch me do my makeup, basically watch me glam up. Okay, recently my skin is in a very good state. I won't say perfect, but it's okay. I used to use this as my foundation alone. This is my Chick Cosmetics. Yes, but now skin is a little brighter, so I'm going to add a little of this Maybelline Super Stay. This is in Truffle 362. Truffle. I don't know if I mentioned it well, but I'm just going to mix these two shades to get my perfect shade. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until guys, I think this blended perfectly well. I like how it's looking. Watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. So I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toffee to conceal my face. Because I'm going for a simple look with a bold lips, I would like to brighten my face a little bit. I like my concealer to get a little bit tacky before I go into blend, so I'll just apply it on my face, on my T-zone where I want to conceal or highlight. Then I go in with my contour or blush to wait for my concealer to get a bit tacky. Look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into the I wouldn't want to go in too deep with my contour, so I'm going in with this Maybelline Fits Me in Espresso. I'm just going to go in with a very little amount and then contour with it. I think this contour shade is a bit darker, but we're still gonna make it work. I'm going to use this blush palette. I think it's from Flora. I don't know how to pronounce it well, but yeah, this is how it looks like. I usually use this when I'm going for like a very simple look, because I really love to be blushed up, but this gives like a natural feeling, a natural finish, so I usually go in with this. Now my concealer is a bit tacky, so I'm going to go ahead and then blend my concealer out and then add a little bit of fawn to brighten up my under eye.
I need help, I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I know you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have.
So I'm going in with my foundation brush, the brush that I use to apply my foundation, to kind of contour my nose. I want to use my contour shade because I don't want it to be too harsh. So this will usually give like a very soft contour. As I said earlier, I usually like to be blushed up, so I'm going to go in with my blush and then reapply to the places that I think is faded.
Fade away.
So now I'm going to go in with my Mirac setting powder in cinnamon to set my face. This is actually the first time that I'm trying to set my face with a loose powder or a setting powder. I usually set my face with a pressed powder, then I go in with the loose powder to bake. But today I am going to set my face with Mirac Cosmetics setting powder. This is one of my favorite powders at the moment. It is very easy to apply. I'm going to go ahead and then blend my under eye even further to avoid any creasing. Then I go in with the powder. Going in with this powder puff. When you are setting, you want to go in with a very small amount of powder. Yeah, so I have set my face. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my pressed powder. I'm using my color powder palette to set the rest of my face. Now that this is nicely done, I know I am looking straight, like I'm looking like one shade, but it will all come together. I'm going to go ahead and then bake my face as I do my brows. I'm doing this with the same Mirac setting powder.
My mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I really can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel good.
Yeah, I know I'm looking a bit crazy, but let's do my brows and then come back.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
I'm going for a very simple look. I am not going to do anything much on my eyes. I'm just going to set my concealer that I have applied on my eyelid and just set it with a very neutral tone.
Why you never said you felt that way? Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but
this is basically all I'm doing to my eye. I'm going to go ahead and then fix my lashes off camera and be back. Yeah guys, so this is basically all that I'm doing to my eye. I did my eye off camera and I fixed my lashes. I smooshed out my under eye a little bit. This is how we're going to go. I'm going to go ahead and dust off the powder that I have under my eye and also bronze my face up. I'm going to bring a little light into my face. My face is looking too flat. I'm going to do this and then we continue. So just watch me as I bronze my face up, bring a little life into my face, okay?
I think I need help. I'm going through hell. I fake like I'm fine, but I know you can't tell. Like nothing I felt.
So now that we are done with the face, we are going to go ahead and go right into the lips. I'm going to first of all line my lips with my brown pencil from Slash Beauty. This is a Ghanaian brand from Slash Beauty. This is one of my favorite pencils to use.
Told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong.
So this is how my lips is looking like. I'm going to go in with a red lip paint. This is also a red lippy from Slash Beauty. This is how it looks like. It is quite pigmented. I don't know if I should go in with a different shade of red, but let's see how it is going to look.
Stay strong and fake a smile until I look away, but I've known you.
I don't know if I'm feeling this kind of shade of red, but I'm going to go in with a different shade of red and also apply and see how best I'm going to like it. So this is the red that I ended up with. I went in with the red from Slash Beauty and applied a little bit of white pigment in the middle of my lips. So this is what it's looking like. I don't know how to feel about it, but this is not like my usual go-to. My go-to is going to be like a nude. I'm going to stick to my nude because I don't know, but I'm not feeling this. I don't know if it's because I don't see this red as red enough, but yeah. So I'm going to set this with some powder.
I'm going through hell.
Yeah guys, so this is actually the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. I didn't do too many things off camera. I just sprayed my face, applied my highlighter, my loose highlighter, and then that was it. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoy this video, this tutorial. Please follow me on all my social media handles. I'm going to leave them on the screen. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. Join this beautiful family. I'd love to have you part of this wonderful family as well. Click on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button, and then thumbs up for me. Click on the thumbs up button for me to like this video, and also share this video on all your social media platforms, and recommend this page for others to also subscribe. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
My mind overwhelmed. I think that I'm broken, but I